Welcome to the World Drone Market Channel. We are a company specializing in providing comprehensive drone products and services, aiming to save you the hassle of visiting multiple stores. Not only do we offer a rich product line, but we also have a team of senior experts and technicians. With their extensive industry knowledge and practical experience, they can provide you with the most professional advice on drone assembly and technical support. Since April 2022, we have created 80 product unboxing videos, 97 wiring tutorials, and 85 flight test videos. These achievements fully demonstrate our professionalism and enthusiasm in the field of drones. Whether you want to learn about specific product combinations or have questions about drone components and configurations, we can provide customized video content for you. Our professional team will carefully create video tutorials or product demonstrations based on your needs, ensuring you can easily master the knowledge you need. We offer a wide variety of drone accessories including antennas, batteries, flight controllers, GPS modules, remote sensors, controllers, cameras, power modules, and more. Whatever accessories you need, we can provide them at the most competitive prices. At World Drone Market, we are always customer-centric, committed to providing you with the best quality service and the most competitive prices. Our professional knowledge, commitment to excellence, and broad range of services make us the ideal partner for your drone needs. Whether you are a beginner or a professional looking for basic or advanced solutions, we have the products and services suitable for you. We look forward to working with you to explore the endless possibilities of drones and create a better future together.